There's the date and time. We're in the Market Street parking garage here in Indianapolis. And check this out. Look at those indicators. Look at that button. I wonder what kind these are. Oh, cool. Wow. Oh, buttons are over here. Okay, let's go to 11. Oh, door closed when we push the button. It's cold in here. This is fast. It's a Schindler. It says it has a Haughton logo right there. Look at that indicator. Alright, watch the button go out. Listen to that dinner bell. Kind of bumpy leveling. It does take a while to level. Here we are at 11. We're not going out. Alright, let's go down to 1. Wow, door closed when I push the button. Alright. Okay, going down, we'll get a look at the fixtures. Look at these buttons. Wow. It's fast for attraction. Oh. And we're starting at 5.
Somebody's probably coming on.
It's kind of bumpy level. There's the phone. Oh. Going down? What? Door closed? Oh. I got the door for you.
Thank you.
Going down? And door closed button works. Kind of bumpy start.
Yeah.
Here we are at 1. Watch the button go out. Kind of bumpy leveling.
Yeah.
It does take a while to level. It does take a while to level. Yeah, you have a nice day. We're on that. Yeah. All right, we'll take one more ride. Door closed when push button, and I'll watch the numbers. Kind of bumpy start.
I like how every other floor is a different light color.
Yeah, see, look at that. 11 is sky blue.
I mean, up there, look, it's red, like darker red.
Oh yeah,
and white.
yeah. You can see partly up
Watch 10.
on the camera. You can't see the indicator. Oh, that's yeah. It kind of shows orange. The camera isn't picking up on the indicator though. Listen to that dinner bell. Oh, look at that. It's got a stop switch. Wow, that's a long leveling. Look at that dinner bell. Let's listen to it. Oh, it doesn't ding. Look out there, you can see the top. Right? Now I'll head on back down to the lobby. And door closed when we push the button. I like that. Let's get a cab view. Very nice elevator. We got carpet. There's the phone. This parking garage is right next to the Hilton. Look at these. Oh, look at that. Look at the light switch. Here's the fan. Look at these buttons. Non-stop. Listen to that dinner bell. I think these were originally Haughton's, because as you can see right there, it has a Schindler plate though. Wow, that took forever to level. Alright. And it will close up. There it goes. And that's it.
We are here at the Hilton parking garage here in Indianapolis, Indiana. And I'm sure a lot of us know that the vintage Haughtons here were modernized. and that the mod was still going on a little while back. But guess what? The mod is still happening. This one's not even in service. But luckily, the new elevator is running, so we're gonna take a ride on it. Here it is. Let's go up to 11. Here we go.
Floor 11.
Here we are at 11. Look at this. They're still modernizing them. It's still being modded. Let's go back down. As you can see, the cabs are completely redone. And that's where the old indicator used to be. But these appear to now be Schindler. 2,500 pounds. Here are the new MAD buttons
Floor 1.
in this new elevator. So that'll be it. We'll see what happens to that elevator in the near future.
Parking garage. All right, let me grab my camera.
Oh, I think the...
And the elevators are finished.
Whoa, that's loud.
New cabs. Wow. Wow.
Oh,
This
I'll
is
get it.
so different.
Yeah, not very much space
Whoa,
in here.
what happened to those doors? The clutch is failing. Okay, Schindler, all right. I see what you're doing. That's nice. Okay, what was that? Schindler. 11.
Floor
Oh,
11.
darn, I messed up. What the heck is up with that door?
Send down a one.
There's a part there.
Yeah, these got all new cabs.
These are super nice. I can't believe these were on like in the hotel. Why
Yeah.
are these nicer than the main hotel elevators?
I don't know.
Because I think the parking garage is owned by someone else.
MAD.
Floor
That's it.
1.
Yeah, these...
I don't think I recall.
Oh.
I ran out of space. Let me record again. And we'll go up. Okay, we're trying this again. I might have run out of space, or I might have just fat fingered the button. Could have been either. There's a J.
Alright.
There's
That is
Jay.
where the
There's
original
Riley.
elevator used to be on top.
You what? Where?
Yeah.
And we are not practicing
Floor
elevator
11.
etiquette right now.
Yeah, we're really not.
Look at the clutch on this door. Watch the right portion as it closes. Watch it real closely. Whee! Schindler.
Just modded.
Yeah, wow. This is very nice and shiny. You can tell the walls are clean and everything. That sounds good.
Yeah, these got a MAD mod.
I was stupid and didn't start my recording until a few minutes ago. Seconds ago.
It's got a 2,500
Floor
pound
1.
Floor 1.
That's it.
Not a bad mod. I gotta say, Schindler did a pretty good job with this mod. There we go.
Listen to chime.
Wow.
Ding.